Stop staring at that frustrating gray screen on Discord and let's get you back to connecting with your communities. Experiencing the dreaded Discord gray screen can be a real buzzkill, but don't worry, we've got the fixes you need. We'll walk through the most common solutions to get your chat back up and running. First up, let's try a simple restart of Discord itself. Close Discord completely, make sure it's not minimized to your system tray, then reopen it. If that doesn't do the trick, we'll move to clearing Discord's cache. This often resolves corrupt data that might be causing the issue. You'll need to open your File Explorer in the address bar, type in %appdata% and press enter. Once inside the Appdata folder, look for a folder named Discord, select it, and then look for another folder within it called cache. Delete both the cache folder and any other cache_alt folders you find. Repeat this process for the code cache and pukake folders found inside your Discord folder. Next, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for display issues. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, like Nvidia or AMD, and download the latest drivers for your specific card and operating system. Install them and restart your computer. Now, let's check Discord settings. Open Discord, go to User Settings, and then navigate to Voice and Video. Find the Hardware Acceleration option if it's enabled. Try disabling it if it's already disabled. Try enabling it. Restart Discord after making this change. Finally, a stable internet connection is crucial. Check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Try restarting your router if you suspect a network issue. With these steps, you should be able to banish that gray screen and get back to seamlessly communicating with your friends and communities on Discord. Happy chatting!